Hey knuckleheads, it's Dielawn. In my next series of videos, I'm going to show you how to remove objects in Photoshop. This video will explain how to use the patch tool. I'm going to remove this pile of wood. Click the J key or select the patch tool from the left toolbar. With normal selected from the drop-down, I draw around the object, and then on the same plane, I drag the outline to a part of the image I want to have replace it. Let me show you how this works with Content Aware selected from the drop-down. Yuck. Now here's what it would look like if I didn't grab from the same plane, but rather from the foreground. The area I'm replacing is a lot more crisp and looks out of place if I don't go along the x-axis. This is just part 1 of 4, so check out my other videos for other ways to remove objects from Adobe Photoshop.